Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are happy and safe at home. Children, what make you feel happy and safe at home? Of course, it is the special care given by your parents make you feel happy and safe at home. Right? Yes. Children, every day your parents go to work and they are employed in different workplaces, right? Yes. Do you know when they will feel happy and comfortable to work in their workplaces? They feel happy to work in their workplaces if their boss is a caring person. Children, who is a boss? A person who is in charge of a worker, group or organization is a boss. So, a worker will be happy and comfortable in his workplace if his boss is a caring person. Children, in this lesson, that is, the boss who cares, we are going to see a boss who cares for his staffs or workers. Children, now I am going to read the lesson for you. Open page number 37 in your textbook and go through it while I am reading. Lesson 4. The Boss Who Cares. At Tumba Space Center, there were about 70 scientists. They were all involved in developing rockets. This was an adventurous task, and this took a lot of time. There was so much of work that really made them restless. They worked right from morning till night, and sometimes they left for home at midnight. But they were all happy to work under their boss and did not think of quitting the job. One day, one of the scientists came to his boss and asked, "Sir, I have promised to take my children to the exhibition in town today. Will you please allow me to leave the office at 5:30 in the evening?" His boss replied, "All right, you are permitted to leave the office early today." The scientist was happy and started working. He was so busy working that he never even bothered to look at his watch. After the day's work was completed, he looked at the watch and it was 8:30 in the evening. He looked for his boss. The boss was not there. As he had told the boss in the morning itself, he closed everything and left for home. On the way home, he remembered the promise he had made to his children. He felt sad for disappointing them. He wondered how he would calm his wife. The scientist reached home. He found that the children were not there. He saw his wife sitting alone in the hall knitting. He expected that his wife would verbally jump on him. But she asked him calmly, "Would you like to have a cup of coffee, or shall I straight away serve dinner if you are hungry?" He was surprised at this and replied, "I would like to have some coffee, and you too must have with me. Before that, tell me where the children are." She said, "Why, don't you know? Your boss came here at 5:15 and has taken the children to the exhibition." This was what had happened. The boss, who granted the scientist permission, saw him working seriously at 5 in the evening. He thought to himself, "This person will not leave the work, but if he has promised his children a visit to exhibition, they should enjoy. so he decided to take them himself. That is why all the scientists at Tumba work under their boss even though the workload is too much. By the way, can you guess who the boss was? He was none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Children, you know about him, right? He was a famous scientist and he was the president of our country. Okay, children, now let us see the meaning of some difficult words. Tumba. Tumba is a village near Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Space Center. Space Center is a place where studies are conducted about outer space. Involved. Involved means engaged. Rocket. A vehicle used to put a satellite into space. Adventurous means daring. Quitting means to leave the job. Verbally means orally or by using words. Children, I have read the lesson for you. Practice reading at home. I will explain the lesson in the next video. Thank you.